Hello, my name is Albeniz Lara Almario. I'm from San Pedro de Urabá, Antioquia, when I born 42 years ago. I am single mom with two children, Herman and Ellis. I am in 7th semester of my bachelor's degree in foreign language teaching with emphasis in English. I think that teaching English for specific purposes is a very important course because I know that this course offered to me what I want to know times ago. That's why I will pay a lot of attention to each content, word, and exercises. According to the questions, I have the next answers. First, according to the course description, what are your expectations for the course and what can you do to meet them? I believe teachers want their students to understand what they want to teach them. Teachers want their students to pay attention all moment. This course gives us tools to achieve these purposes using ICT like tools to teach English classes. This is my expectation with this course. During and at the end, I want to apply my knowledge in my practice place to do my work easier also. The next question is, according to the contents, do you think the course is important for this academic program? Explain your answers. Of course, this course is very important to me like teacher in training, especially in this time when the ICT are very necessary in a lot of aspects of our life. The education needs support in strategies that the students prefer to study and to understand the contents of the classes. The next question is, according to the course contents, what are the 5 topics you like the most and why? Briefly describe the one topic you find more interesting. To know the concept of ESP and its origin, to put us in context of the course. This is the first to me. Teaching foreign language for specific purposes, because is what we want to learn in this course at the beginning. Material evaluation, to study to put in practice in the classroom. Material design, to prepare our English classes according to the area plan, needs, and preferences of the teacher and students. Methodology, to learn and to prepare our didactic material to implement in the English class. 4th question. According to the course contents, how does ESP relate to your language learning experience? My taste for English dates back to when I was in high school. Then I could continue studying, but about 6 years ago, I had the opportunity to enter in English Institute that helped me gain momentum. Really, I easily adapt to the different learning strategies, but the one I liked the most was the one from this institute that focused a lot on the practice of speaking with topic of daily life. In this way, I think that ELT is related to my experience in the way of learning English. Finally, the fifth question is identify and write the reasons why you consider this course will result helpful for your teaching competences and professional practice. Definitely, this course helped to me to know, to prepare, and to apply new strategies and tools to work with the students in the classroom. That's why I believe that this is very important in my learning process and in my profession like English teacher. This is all today. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye bye.